Yes, good evening. Today the topic is design for manufacturing and assembly. The importance of design for manufacturing assembly. The main purpose to reduce the production cost and easily handling, reduce the weight of the component and reduce the connecting parts. These are the principles of design for manufacturing assembly. The design for manufacturing assembly mostly utilized in the assembly lines. Examples: car manufacturing, bike manufacturing, pump manufacturing. Where will they are using mm, lean production, that area they can implement design for manufacturing and assembly. Minimize the product and process cost from the design concept and onwards. We reduce the work power and production time, so that are increasing the productivity. Definitely it will reduce the manufacturing cost. Activity which aligns the design and manufacturer, evaluates the product design, ease of manufacturing and assembly, reduce the complexity and part count. No need to increasing the number of components, so avoiding by using design for manufacturing assembly techniques. It will help with the decision making by ranking and rating designs manufacturing options. Next one is the benefit of uh, design and design and manufacturing and assembly. The safety is a necessity for internal customers and external customers, inside the company and outside of the customers. The risk mostly reduces by using these principles. Quality, we expect the level that can achieve the quality by using these techniques. Delivery, the cost, we can give the correct time to the customers by utilizing this concept. Cost, we can also control by using this concept, eliminating the unwanted transportations and unwanted the parts count, reduce the part counts, and uh, exactly we can designing and including the designing and assemblies. People can utilize the team skill and knowledge, align the product process and technology. These are the benefits of design and manufacturing. Next one is a conceptual evaluations. The first one is a conception. Second one is a evaluation. Third one is a final designing and manufacturing option. Fourth one is a continual renewal. Design concept. Next one is a design concept. The standard designs, material properties, a standard tolerance, product functionally, product families, and critical characteristics. The design and standard is a very essential in manufacturing sectors. Examples: we buy any one product from outside of our country. Suppose any parts is damaged or failure, we can manufacturing that component inside of our countries. Examples: ISO. If M6 nut and bolt, examples, we take M6 nut and bolt, so broken or damaged anyone inside the machines, we no need to buy that component in particular country. We can making or available in market that type of components. That means M6 nut and bolt. The material characteristics is essential because the material characteristics is more trustable. It gives a long life that also flexibilities for user assemblies. Next one is a standard tolerance. They are providing the standard tolerance based on the ISO. Product functionally should be in good conditions. We expecting the level by using the DFMA. Critical characteristics eliminated by using the DFMA products.